In this video, I will be showing you how to log someone out of your Instagram. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. So in order for you to log someone out on Instagram, first you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Or let's just say you are using the latest version of Instagram. So you have to tap Instagram, go to your profile, and then click the three lines at the top right corner. And then after that, you have to scroll down and click settings. Once you're in settings, you have to scroll down again and look for security. Tap security and go to login activity. Here you can see your login activity, of course, where you're logged in. So in order for you to just remove, you just have to tap this three dots here and you can easily log out of this login activity. So in this case, if someone is using your Instagram, he or she will be automatically lag out. Another thing to make sure that no one is using your Instagram, you have to go to password, change your password, and then click this check here. It means done. So that's how easy it is to log someone out of your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.